How did you get up there?
She just...
Now you're kind of stuck.
How do I get back down? How do I get back down? I don't know.
I'm working on getting out of the leg over there.
It's hard, huh? Oh, you're gonna figure it out though.
How? You got your leg back down the round?
Yay!
What do you do? How do you get it down? Oh, you can get back up? Get back down. Oh, that's not the way to go.
It's better to go feet first rather than hands first.
Yes.
Yeah, you can swing that little
That's
foot
right.
around.
Now put that foot.
Oh, you found a way. Oh, you look so proud.
Yay!
You're so smart.
What a smarty pants. Good job, little girl.
Yay!
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 Yes, that was good, wasn't it? Wasn't that good?
Good job. What a smarty.
What I did. Yay! Did you climb all the way up here by yourself?
If I would have been a little bit faster, I could have gotten you getting up there.
Come do it again? Okay, climb up here again?
Oh, that was hard. It was hard.
So tricky.
It was scary to get back down.
What's your fun?
Mama.
Mama. Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Mama.
And you walked over to her.
Mama.
Is that Mama?
Mama.
Kind of.
Ada.
You're funny.
Ada.
Anna. You're funny.
Da is over here.
You want to come climb back up here again? Come see Yaya. Yaya.
Yeah, yeah.